Ito po tayo na. Hello po, Mrs. Annalie Hernandez. It's great to meet you, and I'm Dominic Santa Ana, and this is my partner, Neil Hernandez. And we're gonna ask some couple questions about your business. We look forward to seeing it and learning about your business.
Today, we have the privilege of interviewing the owner, proprietor of Golden A Trading, Snowjo Ice Cream Distributor. Before we begin, could you please introduce yourself?
I'm Alan Hernandez. I'm the owner of Golden A Trading. Basically, I am the distributor of Snowjo Ice Cream in the entire Bataan along the coast of Alex. So that is our territorial jurisdiction of our business. Then it's been 15 years already.
Then let's dive right into this fascinating conversation and discover the story behind Golden A Trading. What motivated you to become an entrepreneur?
When I was young, I really wanted to have my own business. That's why I started studying accountancy. That's why, because I wanted to be a successful entrepreneur in the near future. That's why I got a course that is very much related to what I wanted to do.
What do you think are the characteristics and competencies that made you a successful entrepreneur?
As I am saying a while ago, I studied accountancy. I think that's the basic way of going into business.
How do you deal with your fear and doubt?
When I entered into doing business, I have fears, but if you are really, if you really wanted to be a successful entrepreneur, you have to think of ways to overcome all your fears, all your doubts. You have to study, and then look for things that will make you successful and will make your doubts to satisfy you, and it will lead to a very good outcome.
Aside from the business that you have, what other business are you interested in?
For now, I think I still have many businesses on mind, but I think I have to focus on what I have.
Do you have plans to pursue it?
The business.
What do you think of being employed? Why didn't you choose that path?
Actually, I was employed for I think 20 years. I started 16 years old. I was employed 16 years old. And then I started my business when I was 34. When I was 34. So I was employed 16 until 34 years old. So, I started from rank and file until managerial position. I think there's nothing wrong with being employed, because when I was employed, I learned so many things that made me a better person, and that made me to pursue a business. So from that learning, I started my own business.
Is handling own business better than working in a company? And why?
It depends. It depends on your partners. Because if you are in a good company and you earn well, why not? You work for 8 hours, you go home with your family. That's enough also. So the stress is only 8 hours. But if you have your own business, it is 24/7. You're working 24/7.
The next question is, who are your top 3 entrepreneurs and why do you want to become like them?
Yung ina-idolize ko yung mga nag-ice cream talaga. Kaya I look for ice cream business. Like Genos. We used to buy there.
So, yung ano po, so does their characteristics make you more into managing your own business? You got into ice cream, right? And that ice cream made you more into their business type that
The characteristic why I intention to go into ice cream business. That I see many children who's fond of ice cream, and then not only children, people from all walks of life love ice cream, and I entered into an ice cream business. I see that it's profitable. So it's fast moving, profitable, although it's not a basic necessity, but in small amount of money like 10 pesos like that, it's affordable. For ice cream, you buy now, you buy again, you buy again, and you buy again. Yeah, as long as you want to eat, you can consume more.
So next question is, how much do you love your job?
Of course, I love it. Even because if you didn't love your job, you will end up nothing. It's been 15 years and still going, although we encounter many problems, competitions, like that. And then the weather, kalaban mo yun.
So what are your plans for the next 3 to 5 years?
3 to 5 years. I want to retire already. Yeah. Kasi I've been working for so long, 16 years old, I'm already 52, so basically we are into retiring already.
Follow-up questions. Do you have any messages for the future entrepreneurs?
For young people like you, you better be employed first, so you can have your own account and have your own experiences. So from there, you have to learn from your peers, from your boss, from the environment, from the job, from the work you are entitled to before you enter into business. And then you have to make a concrete plan before entering into business. Kasi pag nag-business ka, maraming risk. But ako kasi risk-taker lang talaga. Risk-taker talaga. I said, sorry. Babae ako pero risk-taker. Okay ba kami ng husband ko? Yung husband ko during that time nasa abroad. And then ako, naka-employo ako. Maganda na yung position ko. I'm earning na rin. Oo. Better for us kasi tatlo lang kami. Then nakakapag-help pa kami sa relatives, sa parents ko, sa mother. Nakaka-help pa rin kami kahit pa paano. At the age of 26, supervisor na ako. And then all the trainings, nakuha yung mga trainings na gusto ko makuha. So, pagka ganun, pag nag-empleo kayo, makasama kayo. Sa workplace, hindi mo mapipili dyan, marami din maloko. So, you have to choose your friends, lalo na sa
Another follow-up question lang. How can our listeners connect with you or learn more about your business po?
may Facebook kami. Kung mayroong interested, they can contact us. Pwede sila mag-apply. Kasi meron kami mga freezers. Halimbawa, may small entrepreneur na gusto mag-start ng ice cream business. We can help them. Pinapahiram namin sila ng freezer. And then, ang bibili lang nila yung product. Free delivery naman. So, yun. Ang profit naman is 20 to 30%. Kaya okay naman. May mga subsidies din. May electricity subsidy din kami. So, yun. If they wanted to indulge in this kind of business, pwede naman namin sila matulungan through our Facebook, mag-message lang sila.
Ano po pala yung Facebook account mo?
Bataan, Snojo Ice.
That ends our interview. Thank you so
I
much.
hope you learn something from me.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights and experiences for us today. Once again, thank you for your time and we wish you all the best all times.
Thank you also for that.
Miss Annalie Hernandez, the owner of Golden A Trading, is a distributor of Snow Joe ice cream. At a young age, she had the desire of entering into a business of her own. But first, she started to work at the age of 16. She was employed in a company wherein her salary helped their family's basic needs combined with her husband's wage from abroad. The experience and knowledge that Miss Annalie learned from her job contributed much to her eagerness in putting up a business. She decided to leave her job and fulfill her dream to become an entrepreneur. She narrated that when you have a business, problems arise. You just have to face and solve them. She is a risk taker. She said that as long as you love what you are doing in her part, that's ice cream, continue your goal to become a successful.